How to add free VPN in Windows. In this video I am going to show you how you can install and set up free VPN on your PC. So before get started, if you new here, please consider to subscribe my channel. So first go to Windows and search for Microsoft Store. Click on open. Now on the top search for VPN and you will see free VPN list. So these are free. So let's going to use Turbo VPN. Just click on that. Click on install. Click on yes. And we have successfully installed our VPN. Now close the store and then go to your Windows. Click on open. So there is a paid plan. So we are going to free plan. Click on back. So you will see free server here, and on the bottom you will see the paid server. So let's say we are going to use a free server. Click on that free server and then it will be automatically connected to free server. And that's how you can do that. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.